start of day 3 here. Leah and I are currently hiding beside the camper because we are out of the wind here. But we are going to hop on the bike. It's about a 25-minute drive up a road here to Takakkaw Falls or something like that. So it's going to be pretty cool to go check that out. Let's go. There we go. Yeah, I'm not sure how to say that. Takakkaw Falls. Oh, I like this. Look at how cool that is, going through them big rocks. Oh, this is a cool road. Haha. Switchback. I've never seen a sign like that. That is so cool. Someone doesn't know how to turn their truck. Oh, that's funny. Leah, this is so cool.
Ooh, sick.
Eh? Look at Leah doubling back there. I think we should stay here and film this all day, Leah.
Yeah, it would be pretty entertaining.
No wonder this is all closed in the winter, because this road would be so funny. Ain't nothing for a motorbike. That is so cool. So majestic. To our left, this is all avalanche slide path. That's why there's no big trees. A lot of people would drive by that in the summer and not think anything of it, but I bet this road gets completely buried. Look over there, Leah. Good thing there's a guardrail. We're right on the edge. That is amazing. First look at the falls there to our right. Those are humongous. I think those are probably the biggest falls I've ever seen. There's like a rooster tail from them hitting the rock. That is so insane. So we looked at this on Google Maps and there was just vehicles forever on the side of the road here. And so, thinking there's not a whole lot of parking in the actual parking lot. Yeah, we have a motorbike, so there, we should be able to find a spot. Want to just park right here?
Yeah.
Or is that motorcycle parking right there?
I think so.
That looks like a motorcycle parking spot if I ever did see one.
I don't know what else to put it in.
Okay. Now we gotta go check those out.
Oh my goodness.
That is insane. They are so big from down here. There you go.
There you go.
Takakkaw Falls, or however you say that. Let's go to the viewpoint. Over this way, through all the people. Here we go, across the bridge. That is some very dirty looking water. I'm assuming it's all glacier water, but not 100% sure. Getting splashed in the face. Very, very, very cool.
It's crazy that so many people pass by.
That's that big rooster tail that we could see from the road. It's so high up there that the water looks like it's in slow motion.
Yeah.
And it is not.
Definitely.
Wow. A lot of people obviously come here to look at how magnificent this thing is.
Wow.
Oh, that's right.
This is so sick. Woo!
Just getting rained on.
Yeah, it's pretty aggressive. Jeez.
Now we're hiding behind this great big rock, or I am, because it is very windy, very rainy. It's not raining, but it's rainy because of the waterfall.
Yeah.
And it is dry right here and very wet over there.
Quite damp.
And down there.
Pretty refreshing.
Yeah.
Just a little chilly of a wind.
Very cool spot to be there.
Yeah. Literally
Takakkaw.
and metaphor.
Takakkaw F?
Thank you.
How would you say it?
I have to read it again. I'm not going to intend.
Takakkaw F. I don't know. Probably something we could Google. My turn to swallow the waterfall.
Yupper.
Yupper. Get it?
Yeah, I think I did. That's a pretty sick waterfall to swallow, I'd say.
Yeah.
We're getting soaked by the minute.
Should we go for a cold dunk?
I don't know if it'll be much of a cold dunk or of a cold ride.
Cold.
Down the
Cold.
river.
Cold die.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, and the big raindrops are starting now. My face is getting quite chilly.
Yeah.
Like a
Okay.
wet dog.
Now where?
Let's go down and explore some more, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah. Go up.
Yeah.
Out of the main spray now. The heavens above. That is so cool. There's great big boulders over there lit up.
Insane.
The falls are amazing, but there's some big boulders over there that are calling my name. So we're gonna go check those out. Take a different path down.
We have finished up our little time at the falls. Landon spotted some pretty big boulders over here and way lesser of crowds. So we're gonna go and explore and see what's going on. Pretty sick little spots over there. I could very much imagine finding something. I somehow always lose Landon. He's in the walks over there.
We're hiding from Leah now. I don't know where she is, but we're gonna try to make it look like we went missing.
But I feel very unoptimistic about finding him over there for some weird reason. So we're gonna go. I'm really tempted to go up there. I also feel like he might just pop out on some rocks that are up there. But we're gonna have to go and see. I'm a little bit slower than he is, but that's okay. Some pretty cool rocks here, I will say. I still have no clue where he is. Sometimes I say I feel like a child, but then I hang out with my boyfriend, and I realize we're both children. We're just babysitting each other in this relationship.
She went by me now. She doesn't know where I am. She's recording something now.
There's a very large part of me. It feels like he's just gonna pop out of some rocks and scare me. There's also a large part of me. That's the worrywart side. That is going to be fall. I don't know where he is. This guy. Why does he always gotta do this? I don't know why he's always gotta do this.
There she is. No idea where I am. Stumbling away. I've been trailing her for quite a while now. She doesn't know where I am. I'm surprised she hasn't been yelling for my name yet. She's yelling my name now. She doesn't know where I am. These boulders are crazy. She still doesn't know where I am. Oh, that's so funny. I've been trailing you for so long. No. Following you. Wondering where I am.
See, this is what he does. I was like, I swear to God, he's gonna be hiding behind something. He was hiding behind me the entire time. Get yourself a man.
I love these.
Just like this. You will never be bored. Never.
This was my last hiding spot here. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but it's like, I don't know, it looks like shiny. Very shiny right here where this big rock broke. So cool. But yeah, this is awesome. I like this. Exploring this great big rock garden. Very cool. Crystal meshed into the rock. Poo-poo.
Landon's found a pretty big rock here.
Holy! That is a huge rock.
Yep. That is
They're all huge rocks.
pretty big, I'd say.
Tiny. Look at that big rock. It's got trees in the top. I'm gonna go stand over there now.
Okay. Sounds good, child. See when he pops up.
Ah.
There he is. Look pretty small from down here.
That'd be a pretty small snowmobile drop.
Yeah, that would be.
Still big enough that you wouldn't want to do it to a flat landing.
Always thinking about snowmobiles, even in the middle of summer.
Oh, there she is. That's so far down. Yeah, you're the bear snack. You're the snack. Where's your bear spray?
In the backpack.
That's not very easy to play.
I didn't think we were going off the trail.
Leah, there's a bear! There's a bear! There's a bear! Oh, you're dead.
You're the bear.
You're dead. I was just standing up there. That is a big rock in itself with very, very cool lines and stuff. And if we zoom in right there, if I was a bird, that is such an amazing spot for a nest.
So neat.
I love that. Oh, checked out the great big boulders over there. Back at the waterfalls. And we're gonna go back down to the motorbike. See where it takes us next. Before going down, had to appreciate it one more time. We didn't even record as we were watching the sunlight go through the water up there. It looked really, really amazing.
It's pretty sick as it comes out of the cloud.
Just lived in the moment for a second.
Yeah, you gotta sit there.
Yeah.
Pretty different weather walking out than in.
Yeah, sun on our faces, not wet anymore. Want to just leave the soft camera on, continue to admire the falls on the way out. So many people come to look at this. It's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
The light keeps changing and it just looks amazing. Darker right now. Now we're enjoying downriver a little bit. Always cheesing. Yeah, go swimming. She would too. How cold is it?
Ice. Don't bet. Oh my god, my hands are
Well, pretty sure it's melting, going into a lake up there, and then coming down off of that. So it should be very cold.
the coldest water you can get.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that is very, very cold. Yeah, I don't. If Leah went into this one, I don't think I would.
Can I do it?
I really like how dirty this water is. Well, now crazy Leah. He's getting her.
I'm in the swim.
You're crazy. Go on, you can get it wetter than that. Well, I gotta do everything that Leah does, so now I gotta get my head wet.
Yes.
Think that's funny, eh?
I do. I love that. It's my favorite game of the trip. Oh! Okay, everything well.
How am I gonna do this?
It was that rock that I did it. Probably feels way cooler on the ball's head. Instant brain freeze.
Switch the hair back.
Perfect shot.
I love how fast my hair dries.
Yeah, almost instantaneous.
Well, see you later, Takakkaw Falls. There's even a campground over there.
Takakkaw. Takakkaw. It's Takakkaw.
Takakkaw?
Takakkaw.
Takakkaw? I don't think you're saying it right either.
I don't think it's really.
Well, the campground is supposedly that way.
Huh.
That's pretty cool. Off we go! Quick stop on the way out, just to zoom in and show that big rooster tail. Okay, we continue on our way. Quick stop here. Look like a quite the drop.
Pretty intense.
Oh. It's a long ways down.
me off this one.
I won't. Get over here. Look, there's a nice spot for you right there. Right out, stand on the edge of that rock. No.
Jesus.
Makes you feel alive, eh?
My knees are going weak. I just slow myself down, apparently. Oh my goodness.
Cool.
Very cool.
There's our favorite sign. Look at the van. Yeah! Want to do a stoppie?
No. Why do you want to stop it? Stop it or stop it?
We need this wide turn. Meeting of the waters. Kicking Horse River. Two rivers, two colors. Rock flower is what gives these two merging rivers different colors. Pretty incredible that we are here and this goes all the way down into the United States and out to the Pacific Ocean. Rocks get slippery as it rains, so gotta be careful of that. Where they meet, dirty rock flower water and the really clean Kicking Horse. I think it's the Kicking Horse water. Big boulders. Now we stopped at this upper spiral tunnel viewpoint. We're kind of confused of where it is. I think maybe like it's over there somewhere. It's not obvious where it is. Back to the truck. Well, you can hear the rain on the roof. We are now hiding in the camper. Got back on the bike just in time because it is now pouring and it is very windy. Glad we're in here.
Yep.
Waiting for it to stop and then go pay the camp fee.